Hello, Mookies! Hello, 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 hello. How's everybody doing today? I hope everyone is awesome, fine, perfect, and great. On the menu today is, oh, what the heck did I make? Broccoli beef. My head is like, phew, it's gone. I'm gone. So it's broccoli beef. It's delicious, I promise. This is one of CJ's favorite dishes that I make. And this is what he orders when he goes and gets Chinese food. And so we're good to go. I had to get some water. So, just a real quick side note. If my videos after this video seem to be a little out of order, it's because this video was supposed to go in next week, but I'm doing it now because I wanted to make an announcement. The roommates, DA space and then roommates, I want you guys to go over and check their video out in regards to their giveaway. Their giveaway is send a child to prom. Help send a child to prom. And they're giving away an absolutely gorgeous red dress, the shoes to go with it. They're paying it forward, and they would like their video passed around to whoever you can pass it to. Put it on Facebook, put it on Instagram. I will have the video linked in my description. Please pass it around. If you want to donate something you feel like you're in the giving mood, they are welcoming, you know, makeup and hair accessories or whatever it is that you guys feel that you would like to donate. Please do so. This is a great cause. Prom is very expensive, and many kids don't get to go and experience that because they don't have the money to go to prom. It costs money for the ticket. It costs money for the dress, obviously, the shoes, the hair, the makeup. The guy has to go through a lot too. He's got to get that tux in those shoes and a nice clean haircut or get his hair braided or whatever he has to do. Let's help get some kids to prom. Some kids that normally wouldn't be able to go. I would love to do that. I am also pitching in. I'm going to try to send some hair over there and see if anyone might need that and see what else I can pull together and donate. But this is a great cause. Please, you guys, I really would appreciate it if my Mookies would go over to the roommates, check out the video. I'm going to link it below. Please go ahead, check that video out and share it. And if you can, donate something. Let's help these kids out. Let's get them to prom. Okay, so I'm going to pray over my food and we are going to eat. We're going to chow down. You'll see some fatty pieces in my meat because I love fatty meat, like especially on my steak. So don't freak out that I left that in and didn't cut it out. That's on purpose. I really love that type of meat. So I'm going to pray and we're going to get to eating. Okay, break. You know what? I'm like that busted little cheerleader on the side that didn't get picked. That's how I feel. I'm always so, yeah, let's go. And I'm like the one on the corner. The last one picked, no, the one they didn't pick. I couldn't do a somersault or something. I like broke my neck. I don't know. It wouldn't work out. I did flags, however. I did flags for like a minute until I had to carry the flag. That was too much work. That pole was heavy. Wasn't interested. I quit that. Okay. We have sriracha. You know what? Let me show you my plate. Look at that. Oh my God, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good. I love it. 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 You know what? Let me pause this. Okay, sorry about that. I had to stop my video for a second. I forgot to take some pictures of my food, and I'm about to tear this up, and it wouldn't look right after that, and couldn't take pictures, so I had to get it right. Okay, so we're going to use some sriracha. Everybody knows, ooh, I'm almost out of my bottle. Everybody knows the sriracha. Yum. Okay, so we're going to put a little sriracha. You know what I think is so gross is when you reach in your refrigerator. It's a little pet peeve of mine, is when you go in the refrigerator and you get your mayonnaise, or not your mayonnaise, I'm sorry, unless you have a squeeze bottle, but your squeeze bottle condiments, like your hot sauces or your ketchup or mustard, and it's caked on the like nozzle and nobody bothers to clean it. That's so disgusting to me. It makes me not even want to use it. Okay, so as you all know, these are not my friend. These don't like me very much. I'm going to try to use them. If it doesn't work, I have my friend. My friend doesn't fail me. This is what we will be using. My old trusty spoon. I picked it up. My veggies, they don't look so bright because I put sauce all over them. Can you see that? Perfect. They're not too soft. So good. So you guys, I love fatty meat. Look at that. You see the fat? I absolutely love it. You guys want a bite? For those of you who like the fatty meat, here you go. How do you eat rice with chopsticks? You just scoop it? This isn't gonna work out. No, I don't think so. I think my rice has to be stickier, a little bit. I don't know about these little bites. I want some rice. It's so good. I don't want to fall everywhere. Look at, there goes the damn hiccup. Please be the only one. I don't want to get hiccups right now. Do you guys ever get songs stuck in your head? I have that song, Sunflower from Post Malone. I think it's from Post Malone. It's stuck in my head. I really like the song. I really like him. I really, really enjoy his music. I just threw in, this was a quick and easy meal. These are just frozen, veggies that I had in a bag. I cooked my meat. I cut up a little ginger and onion. I cooked it with some sesame seeds, little soy sauce, some, you know, seasonings that I had in my cabinet. I have this bottle. You know how you get the big bottles of like lemon pepper and you know, all your seasonings, you get them from Sam's or Costco. I found one that's an Asian seasoning, and in that is like ginger and all this stuff, and it's so good. Like if you're making any kind of Asian food, you just sprinkle a little bit over your food, and it takes care of a lot of stuff, so you don't have to have all these 50 different things you're trying to throw in there. Really, really good though. Nice and filling. We eat so much rice and pasta in this house. Like in my pantry, if you look at my pantry, I have these big giant bags of rice. And then I have, you know, stacks and stacks and stacks of pasta. It's pretty insane. Yeah, we eat it so much. I mean, there's not a week that doesn't go by that we eat it a few times a week. Unless we're getting takeout. But even then, sometimes we're getting rice or pasta. And tortillas. It's just carb city over here. So, I've had a busy day today. When I'm scouting out a house that I want to buy, or somebody calls me and tells me, hey, you want to buy my house or whatever, I drive by the house, excuse me, in the daytime, in the nighttime, and on the weekend. Because I want to check out the neighborhood. That's if I'm not familiar with the neighborhood already, because usually I'm familiar with the neighborhood. Then, you know, I go inside and I take pictures. I take pictures of all the outside. And I have to check everything out, make sure all the faucets work, nothing's dripping. Then after I do all of that, I have to order a real inspection, like, you know, from a true inspection company. But once I walk the property, check everything out, that's when I put it under contract if that's what I want to buy. I can kind of tell. Because I've done this so much, I can kind of tell how the inspection report is going to come back. usually, you know, I'm pretty on the money. Well, then, you know, just, you know, I have some wiggle room. You can tell if a house is kind of wonky. But it's hard because you're walking through somebody's house. They don't live the way you live. Of course they don't. But this one was a little hard on me. They most definitely have a dog, but the dog wasn't there. So maybe they hid the dog. I don't know. But there was a smell in that house. Boy. That house, yeah, I felt like I smelled like the house when I left. But that way. I mean, it's okay if you're, you know, you can go into someone's house and know they have pets. But if you go in someone's house and your eyes start to water, there's a problem. So, if I do purchase this house, the house is going to need a lot of work. A lot of work. So I did my car mukbang. It was fun. I mean, I'll probably do more of those, maybe a series of those. I know C Squad does a bunch of them. They're so cute. When you guys eat, do you eat from like one side of your plate? If it's a dish like this, do you eat like one side of your plate and just move over? Or do you eat like from all over your plate? I eat like from one side of the plate a lot of times and just move through just in case I don't finish everything. Then I just put it away and it's still perfect. Oh, that water tastes so good. I really love water. Ever since CJ was a baby, I never had sodas, candies, a bunch of crazy sweets. I mean, we had muffins and stuff like that, but not a bunch of crazy sweets in the house because I didn't want him to have all these cavities and get used to all these sweets. So if we had a big party or a special occasion, whatever, that's when I would buy soda for our guests and whatever. So now to this day, CJ will not drink soda. He's super healthy. He goes to the gym every day. This kid's like a gym rat. But, I mean, sometimes he'll go twice a day. I don't know how he does that, but he drinks so much water. We do have juice. I'll buy juice, But if I have soda in my refrigerator, it's because it's for Sunday dinner or something like that when we're all together. Like, you know, my brother comes over and my nephews come over, my mom, my sister, you know, we all get together and have Sunday dinners. That's when I'll buy soda if it's my turn to cook. We try to rotate Sunday dinners because I used to be the one doing it all the time. But we rotate now, so it's like my night, then I, you know, cook everything and do everything, buy everything. And it's at my house no matter whose turn it is, it's at my house. So, but then whoever, if it's not my turn and my sister's, it's my sister's turn, she'll cook at her house and bring the food over, or she'll finish, like do some of the cooking at her house and then the rest of the cooking at my house, and she buys everything. And then my brother, you know, he cooks everything. Well, actually, no, my brother will buy this stuff and bring it to my house and expect me to cook it. I still have to cook it. He thinks he's slick. But yeah, so we rotate our Sunday dinners, but Sunday dinners are very important. We started slacking a bit since my dad passed. We were like on time every Sunday, like everybody was together on Sunday dinner, no matter what. And if you didn't make it on Sunday dinner, my dad was on the phone calling whoever it was, saying, where are you? Why aren't you here? It's Sunday dinner. When my dad passed away, everybody kind of fractured our family a little bit. Well, a lot of it. And so we're trying to get back in the groove and do things the way he would have liked them, because, you know, we just do our own thing. Everybody's running around, and we're very close family regardless, but we're not, our unit is not like this anymore. We're kind of like this. We used to be like this. So I'm trying to get all of that going again so that everybody is at the same day. We're doing our Sunday dinners again, because that was very important to us, and we need to get back on track. My dad's probably looking at us like, what do you think you're doing down there? What do you guys think I should talk about? I wanted to do a series of stuff. You want me to talk about business, you know, how one of my businesses are, both of my businesses, whatever it is that I do besides YouTube. You want to talk about, you want more cooking videos? What would you like to see me eat? I'm not one to eat strange foods. If you want to see some really off-the-wall crazy foods, I'll have to bring my sister on. She's down to do that kind of stuff. I'm not eating donkey balls or anything crazy like that. I'm just not doing it. But I will, however, do some videos on it. If you guys want to see it, it just won't be me eating it. It'll be my sister. I don't know what's wrong with that girl, but she will try any kind of food. She's not scared. It doesn't freak her out. I don't know what, I can't do it. I can't do it. If you want to see it, let me know. know about you guys, but I feel so like recharged. This year, it just feels like it's going to be good. It feels like things are going to start falling in place and everybody's going to be good. And, you know, and this is a restart for everybody and it just feels really good, you know? I'm looking forward to this year and all the wonderful possibilities this year is going to bring. All the opportunities. From where you're looking, it looks like I haven't had any food. And then look at this. Isn't that funny? It looks like I wasn't eating anything. Look. The rain, oh my God. If you drive down my neighborhood, you see wavy fences. All these fences like going in and out, in and out. My fence almost fell down. All the neighbors, like it's just a mess. I went and looked at that house today and walked through that house. Part of the fence was laying on the floor. Maybe that's why the dog wasn't there, because the fence is completely open. There's telephone poles leaning over, and then you see the yellow caution tape on somebody's house, like they had to vacate the premises because there's a telephone pole about to go down in their house. My tree is all bent in my front yard. He's all like, my tree was just so tall and pretty and strong, and now he's just like, so now CJ's got to go out there and fix that. I don't know what's going on there, but it looks bad. My poor tree. Nothing feels better than this. I like that song. There's a lot of good music on the radio right now. I don't listen to radio when I'm in the house because all our speakers are just hooked up to our phones and we just listen to our playlist. When I'm in my car driving around, I hear all this new music. But the thing about radio is they want to play the song like every 5 songs they start repeating. Not cool. I'll be in the car running errands and I'll hear the same song like 10 times. Uh-oh. I lost the rice. All right, you guys. I think I'm going to wrap this one up. Please, please go check out the Rommates. Again, the link will be below. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Share this video. Like this video. You don't have to share it. Do whatever you want to do, but I do need you to give it a thumbs up and to hit that red button that says subscribe. I love you, Mookies. Oh, you know what? I still have my contest going on too. So once I hit my 1,000 subs and my watch hours, we're going to do a giveaway on my channel as well. So please remember to like and subscribe. It's very important. I really do appreciate the time that you spent with me. I love you, Mookies. I really do. You get me in the best mood. So let's have a great 2019. Yay! I love you, Mookies.